Hey, good morning and greetings of the day. I wish you guys are doing good and staying safe. My name is Ninad Bhatt from Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited, and I look after business development for ERP solutions and consulting services over here. So we are SerpentCS, and we are one of the leading gold partners to Odoo. Have been serving our clients from 170 plus countries so far, and we have been into the market since more than 8 years as of now. So that of course means that we have come a long way, but many more miles of success to go with our quality services and our custom made user friendly solutions that we are offering to our clients. So as you can see on the screen that we are offering many services. We are majorly into Odoo. So since we are offering the Odoo based services, which involves us in implementation, customization, third party integrations, and some extra development as well. But apart from which, we are also having 40 plus custom made solution, which is addressing the unique requirement of our clients. So this series of video, in the first video of the series, we are going to discuss about one such solution, which is going to be the fleet management application. It allows our clients and users for the fleet or car reservation, I would say in other words. So let's just jump onto the solution and see that how exactly it works. In the first video of the series, what I will be explaining you guys would be the basic navigation of this solution and the menu items that we have to work with. All right, so as you can see on the screen that I already have logged in into my account. On the top right corner here, we can see that we are having some of the options for login, logout things. You can manage the preferences. In short, it allows you to manage your profile as a user. And by clicking on this particular icon, it will simply be listing out the modules and applications that you have. What we are exactly going to have a look at would be the fleet application, the fleet management solution with car reservation system. All right, so this is going to be the opening screen. Once you get inside the application, here you can see that which is the application that currently we are working with. If I talk about the basic navigation on the top left corner, it's going to be the detail about the application. You can have an option to switch between the applications that you have in the list. If you talk about the major menu items, it's going to be the vehicles, wherein you will be getting some options to manage stuffs pertaining to the fleets that you have, the vehicles that you have, plus reporting. That will come in handy when you will be working extensively with the application and when you want to have a look at some reports, the auto-generated reports by the system, then this particular menu item will help you out in that. Plus, a very key and important portion of the solution is the configuration, wherein we put some pre-configured things, which defines the overall performance of the solution that you use. All right. So by default, when we enter into the fleet application, as you can see that currently we are onto our first page, which is the car reservations, right? As you can see that the old reservations and the services that can be viewed over here. But since we are talking about the functionalities which involves you in some basic navigation, so I think I should also talk about the filtration option that we have over here. All right. So here we have a very strong search functionalities, which will of course be the part of all of our custom or standard solution that Odoo offers. And it will also be having the filtration option available over here. You can simply filter out your data, which you want to have a look at on your page by selecting any of the options over here. Or let's say if you want to have the custom filters, we always have an option to filter it out by any of the fields which is there in your solution. So that's how the filtration works. And also we have the group by option. If you want to group some of your records and want it to be visible on the screen, then for that we are having the group by option as well. So this is how the basic navigation of all the standard application plus custom solutions that we are having, right? That we can switch between the applications. We can see the application's name over here. We are going to have the menu item, the major menu items over here, right? We have an option to import data from the external sources. Also, we can download what we can see on the screen right now. Right, so this is going to be the basic navigation. This is how exactly your application will welcome you. And if we talk about the configuration thing, my next video would be discussing about how exactly we can configure your car reservation system or fleet reservation system, and how it helps you out in managing your fleets in a major volume. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the further points pertaining to this particular application. Thank you very much.